Here's InDating app, dating and chat. You can see it in here. App for finding new people for friendship, chatting, and relationships. No subscription or hidden pays. All the basic functions necessary for dating are provided for free. User profiles, liking, admiration, virtual gifts, convenient chatting system, viewing guests and fans, rating system. So quite interesting new dating app. Let's see if if it's legit. Seems this is not some kind of wacky Chinese app. This is just like a single developer app, which you can just try, and you can then just create an account. Again, I'm just doing it for you, so you should know whether it's safe for you to do it or whether it's legit app and so on. So then, yeah, you can then just create a profile. So this is just an example info in here. All right. And then select your city. So for example, and then, yeah, then you can just allow notifications, consent, and this is the idea in here. So then you can just swipe around details, then you have messages, you have likes, you have mutually, and then you have all of the users, profile, rating, all of these details. You can also then delete your profile. You have photos, you have gifts. So kind of very basic, kind of old school dating app. So that's it. And then there are quite a lot of ads. So kind of alternative to some, like, obviously it's not as good as Tinder. Maybe they just also have like some popular website, but in a nutshell, that's what it is.